Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Sean Strong, beat maker for Fanatics Entertainment, filmmaker, editor for Hudzy TV. Just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about what I recently discovered being a Final Cut Pro editor. Sometimes I use Logic. I have the Native Instruments mk3, had it since for a couple while now. I bought the mk1, but I know that Maschine can actually control Logic using the MIDI control editor. I just happened to see if it can run Luna. So I have the Universal Audio Apollo Twin X quad, and Luna comes with it. So I like Luna a lot. I like how it sounds, very analog feeling, give that nostalgic feel like the plugins that Universal Audio has. So I just wanted to see if, because I was actually recently thinking about getting a controller for Luna, and then I just happened to put Maschine into MIDI mode, and it actually can control Luna. So I didn't add anything, I didn't do anything. Let me just go into, open up Luna. Nothing special. I didn't go into the whole control editor. I did a little bit after watching a couple of videos, because I also wanted to see what other controllers that Luna is capable of actually using. So here we are in Luna. I'm just going to open up a song. This is a hip-hop song. It's actually probably 10 years old. As you can see, I was playing with it. Here's Maschine. It's off. About to put it in standalone mode. Go into MIDI mode, which is shift channel or shift MIDI. And you can see, you're not going to get what you can get in Logic as far as the illuminated controls of each track, but for me, this works. The groups work. Here I can go down banks. Here I can go individually tracks. So you got the faders with the left and right tool. You can switch between. This right here is the panning. As you can see, the panning. Also different assignments. V-pot, the mute. Mute all 8. And solo. And of course, the transport buttons work as well.
No parole.
Yeah, let me turn that down. Mains, vocal bus, and being that everything is turned down, let's go to the beginning. Let's turn everything up. Drum bus. Some stuff down. Okay. So, and the names show up as well, so you know what track you're working on. For me, this works fine for my needs. It doesn't have the motorized faders as some controllers, or and I engineered before, so I know how it feels to have wanting faders. We all want faders, right? So let me go open up control editor. So the control editor, let me bring it over. It's on my other screen. Here, like I said, play, stop, fast forward, loop. The restart button is the loop. You can see it illuminates there, and actually engaging. Rewind, just bringing everything back to the beginning. Play, stop, play. And the let me switch screens. Oops. The knob works. So. This works fine. Also, if you change, go into the different banks, some of the pads are able to zoom. So I'm zooming. You can zoom in and out, or you can zoom horizontally and vertically. And you can see them light up which buttons or which pads are being used for that zoom. That's in my e-bank. 4 is set up for automation. You got your read, write, touch, redo, marker, marker. So I didn't do nothing special, or this is basic Mackie control, which should come with your Maschine mk3. So there's other people that know how to set all this stuff up. I ain't there yet, for it's I don't even know what clear solo. So let me see how that works. So I'm gonna go into solo of a track. I know you guys know how to work all this MIDI stuff and you implement it more. Please let me know. I'm just letting y'all know that the Maschine mk3 can control Universal Audio's Luna. For me, this is pretty dope. And I actually was gonna buy a controller. I was looking into the Behringer X Touch 1, but it's right here. To me, I'm good to go.
Parents to supervision the buildings, team leader, believer, my logic creature, race creed creatures, genetically it teaches, it's bigger than the bank, theory saying the color slang, close to taking out an Eastern title, where's the wisest rival, opponent, formidable.
And also, in here you can switch to show either the bars or the values of what you're changing. So say here, pan pot, which is the panning left and right, you can see it -25, +25, but if you shift, and the bars you can see is actually changing to where it's at, which is unique in itself. It's pretty cool. All right, so the amount with the fader does it as well. Pretty cool. So for me, this works. So Sean Strong, Fanatics Entertainment, Hudson TV. The Maschine mk3 can control Luna. Enjoy, check it out. And if you know any more tips and stuff like that on the MIDI stuff, you implement more stuff for the pads or in controlling it, please let me know. Team leader, believer, my logic creature, race creed creatures, genetically it teaches, it's bigger than the bank, theory saying the color slang, close to taking out an Eastern title. Peace.